Okay, the focus of this video is going to be this, whatever this is right here, it's going to be changing. Looks like it used to be maybe a military barracks, but we're going to try to walk around it and just see what we can see and try to keep this recorded for time because it's going to be torn down in the near future. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are. So this little military barracks, there's actually no entrance points right here. Just it's like one big long thing. So we're gonna try to go around it and just kind of see what we can see. I can see some windows there. Definitely something there as well. Let's just see what we can see. We'll try to figure this all out. But yeah, this is not going to be here in the future. And I don't know what it was in the past. It looks like a military barracks, maybe by the Portuguese, back when this was all Portuguese territory, or land, or soil, or whatever you call it. So all this stuff, it looks like there's, it's all bricks. So whatever it was, it's all bricked in, fenced in, can't look in. So we're gonna see what we can see here. Lots of wiring, strange. Straight ahead looks like there's some entrance to the barracks. Let's see what this is all about. Let's just kind of take a look in here. Okay. So that right there used to be a bathroom, it looks like. Take a look on this side too. So you can kind of see, looks like there's a sink that was there once. So we're going to try to see if we can walk around it a little bit as well. Let's take a look around. So yeah, this is all part of this barrack. There's a window there too. Whatever happened, it looks like it used to be in place, but it's no longer now. So there's little turbines to move around air, I guess. Okay. Let's go check out more of it. More brick. So just another sheer wall. No windows. Let's try to get in the shade a little bit. Okay. Let's take a look. So yeah, basically so this side looks like it's more deterioration. Let's see, like what used to be a sink right over there. Then I guess this used to be another room, I guess, with a you could walk down. And it looks like we're gonna run out of not gonna be able to go any further. Let's just take a look here. So there's a little park right here. Let me try to walk through this space. Okay, let me just see here. Big giant tree. Okay, let's just try to see what's around here. So, okay. So it looks like, well, you can see all this storage stuff right here. Then you can see all this storage stuff right here as well. Yeah, I don't know what it used to be. It almost looks like it could have been like, I don't know, let's see. Let's come up around this side. But whatever it is, it's going to be torn down. So yeah, there's an active umbrella right there, so people are going in and out, and there's equipment right there that's plugged in. So I don't know, maybe it's for cleaning purposes. But that might be as far as we can go. If we kept walking around, we could go to, I think we could go, let's walk around. I think we could go to, there's like a grassy park over the other side. So let's just kind of walk in that direction. We'll just see what we can see. This is all one little cool little area here. Lots of people hanging out. This is all exercise equipment right there. Nice tree. Okay, overflow. This area kind of feels more run down. So we'll just see what we can see over on this side as well. I'll just kind of give you a little feel for everything. There we go. So they're definitely tearing down all that stuff, and they're gonna put, I heard it's gonna be some kind of amusement park in the back in this grassy part. And I don't know what they're gonna do with these buildings. They're definitely abandoned, and now they look like they're gutted as well. And it looks like they're definitely trying to clear them out. So they won't be here long, but they probably have some historical value with the Portuguese once upon a time. I'll have to look it up and see. I think you could easily climb up on these roofs. To the turbine with wind. Yeah, there's the rooftop right there. Okay, and this is the backside. So all this backside is the back part, and then this whole part, I've heard they're going to do some development of some kind. And over here, we're just to get these kind of cool buildings. I don't know what this is all about. Our residence. Looks pretty cool though. So anyways, our focus was this thing right here, so we're going to end it on this one, and that'll be the end of this video. Hope you like this one. Something a little bit different. Just walk right to the front so I can film it one more time on the front side. There we go. All right.